TradingView is an easy-to-use platform that helps you track stocks, charts, and trends in real time. You can follow expert traders, share ideas, and analyze the market all in one place. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your trading, it's a great tool to help you make smarter decisions. Plus, it's free to get started. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use TradingView complete guide for beginners. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into tradingview.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So all you have to do right now is just click over get started to start sign up. But before, let's know what is TradingView firstly. TradingView is a user-friendly platform where you can track stocks, view live charts, and analyze market trends. It's perfect for beginners and experienced traders alike, offering tools to make smarter trading decisions. Plus, it's free to start using it. Alright? So right now all I have to do is just click over here and get started in the top right. Then you'll find the page which is this one. You have just to click over sign up if you want to sign up for free. We have $0 forever, no credit card needed. We have also you look first at how well the market are performing, then leap and tell them on the platform used by 90 million traders. So if you scroll down, find here the plans for every level of ambitions. So we have the first one, which is essential. You have to pay $13 per month, and about here you have to pay yearly if you want to do second option, $156 per year. And then we have the plus one, you have to pay $25 per month, and then we have the third one, premium, you have to pay $50 per month. But before we have firstly here the professional one and the no professional one. So you have to select the one you want. About the no professional, we have two packages instead. And then about the features of the first one, which is, for example, for this one, it's just the essential one. And then we have the plus one, then we have the premium one, and the last one here we have the features, and here we have features again and the features. So with the first one, we have 2 charts per tab, 5 indicators per chart, 10,000 historical bars, 20 price alerts, 20 technical alerts, and we have also here 10 parallel chart connection, no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar replay, and we have also here indicators on indicators. And the second one, we have the features, which is 4 charts per tab, 10 indicators per chart, 10,000 historical bars, 100 price alerts, 100 technical alerts, 20 parallel chart connections. Then we have no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar replay, indicators on indicators, chart data export, intraday recap. Then you have charts based on custom formula. About the last one, you have to pay $50 per month and $600 per year. So about this one, the features, we have 8 charts per tab, 25 indicators per chart, 20,000 historical bars, 400 price alerts, 400 technical alerts, and we have here 50 parallel chart connections. We have also here no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar replay, indicators on indicators, chart data export. We have also other things. You can just read it and know what is the features that we have on each one. So then we have here the professional one. About this one, we have two package, the expert one, the ultimate one. You have to pay here $199 or $200 per month, or you can just pay $2,400 per year. Then we have here $500 per month or $6,000 per year. Alright, so we have just to click over sign now right now, and you add your information, then you get started with this one. But I will use here to sign up for free. Then I will have just to select the option that I want, if it's email address or sign up with Google, or we have also here Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, and LinkedIn. You have just to choose the option that you want. So right now I will just click over sign in because I already have an account. I will use the option of Google because I will just here click over my email address, and then I will find a page which is the platform or the homepage of TradingView. So this is my account, as you can see. I'll just right now click over here to see my account. We have a profile settings, account and billing, refer and freight, help center, notifications, what's new, language, then you have sign out if you want. Right now I'll just click over here to come back to the home page, and then I will select firstly here, I don't like the dark theme, I will select here the white theme, and right now I'll just click over here And here we have it right now. So let's just waiting for. Firstly, I will select here the option of products and they will select super charts. Then you'll find this page as you can see. I will just click over here my account and they will select here the watch time as you can see. I will just make this one switch off and we have how it looks right now. So first we have here other options that could help you guys for getting started with TradingView.com. Like we have here in the right, for example, if you want to here, for example, we have watch list. But this one we have here some bull lists, we have changed. We have also here alerts. Then we have also here, for example, we have the objects. Then we have also here my ideas. We have also chats, idea stream as well, screeners, calendars, and we have various things that could help you for getting started. And also we have here calendars and if you want to help. All right, so we have here on the top right the option of publish once it's done, and also if you want to here check a Snapchat and full screen mode, chat settings. We have here quick search. Also we have here the option if you want here save layout, and you have here share your name, make a copy, export chart data, create new layout if you want. Here we have right now how you can get started with this one. Just to choose here the package that you want. So we will just here right now give you an example by using the free one, because you can't here expect or start trading because I use the free one. So you have just to choose the package that you want or the one that you think it's better for you. So right now, for example, I will just expect if it's going to be improved or it's going to be diminished. Then you will just select the option of buy market or sell market if I want also. Then also we have here other things as you can see. For example, about this one, I'll just here select how much it's going to be like that. Then here we have it right now. And that's it for this one right now. Right, so we have also here to pair screeners if you want, pen editor, strategy tester, reply trading. Then we have trading panel as well. Then we have here on the left other options. For example, about this one you'll find here if you want to cross start, arrow, razor, and matrix. Then we have also here if you want to here, for example, this one which is lines, and this is the one you want. Then we have also here if you want to Fibonacci. Then we have if you want to here patterns, projection. Then we have brushes. Then we have here text and notes, emojis as well. And then we have also if you want to measures, zoom in and zoom out. Then we have also here if you want this option of weak magnet or strong magnet. Then we have here if you want to stay in drawing mode, lock all drawings. Then we have hide all drawings, and we have here the option of delete and hide all these things. So right now if you want to add, you click over here and you get started by compare symbol as well. Then we have also here other things such as, for example, we have one if you select the duration, if it's 1 day or other things, you can just select the one you want. And we have also here if you want to save indicator template, open template. Also we have here indicators, metrics, and strategies, create alert, bar reply if you want to hear, and then we click over here and we have it right now. Firstly how it looks. So TradingView is a powerful yet user-friendly platform that makes tracking stocks, analyzing trends, and sharing trading ideas easy for everyone. Whether you are just starting or have experience, it provides all the tools you need to make smarter trading decisions. With its interactive charts and vibrant community, it's a great resource to level up your trading game. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.